Luke, this is Brittany. I promise to provide you a quick video on some ways you guys can increase your online presence to get some more customers in the door. You're probably asking why I'm doing this. Well, I've realized small business owners are so busy running their business, taking care of customers, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers. And the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. Some people will take this information and do it themselves, and some people will connect with me. Either way is good with me. This is just to educate you and help you out with a simple and easy attack plan. So first thing I want to go over is your Facebook page. So I see you have a good decent amount of likes and followers. You do want to have here what your services are. Like there is a little spot here where you can put in the type of business that you are or company that you are. You do want to add that in there. You do also want to have a good description. I see it cuts off here. You do want to have the max amount of characters here that are describing, for example, some of the services that you offer, maybe along with some of the locations that you have as well, and maybe some of the products that you offer. You do have a lot of your locations here, which is great, and your phone number, you have your email address, and you have 3 reviews. So I would want to add in some more content there, and as well as pictures throughout your website. I do notice that you are active on your posts, which is really great. You want to keep doing that. I love how you are capturing people's attention with these beautiful photos and telling them about some of the products you offer. That's really, really great. Keep that up. I love that. So those are just some of the things you can do with your Facebook profile to optimize that. And I also like your call now button. That's great to have too. Alright, so I was looking as well when I clicked on your skywalkerflooring.com. It says coming soon. I'm not sure if you're currently working on a website or if someone's working on a website for you. But either way, I wanted to show you a few ways you guys can make a website and optimize it so you guys can get some organic traffic through Google. So I like to go over 3 things. So first, I want to go over what a keyword is. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. I went ahead and typed in a keyword up here at the top, floor contractor, Augusta, Georgia, which is one of the areas you serve. And this is a great buyer intent keyword. You definitely want some buyer intent keywords throughout your content of your website, and I'll show you that in a little bit here. But this is a great buyer intent keyword for 2 reasons. Number 1, it's service specific, and number 2, it's location specific. So you definitely want a lot of these keywords throughout your website. The first thing that pops up when I search for this keyword is the Google Map pack here. Now 30% of consumers will choose one of these top 3 businesses for their business. Below that is the organic search results. Now 60 to 70% of people will choose a website here or a company here to do their business, and what's not shown on the top here are Google Ads, and on the bottom as well here. And now 5 to 10% of people will choose a business here to do their work. So the first person that popped up organically is Flooring, Augusta, Georgia. I'm not counting these directories here. Angie, Howells, and Better Ways Beer. These are just directories. But the first company that pops up organically is Flooring, Augusta, Georgia. I went ahead and I brought up their website. Now looking at their content, they have some good content here. A lot of visuals, which is also great. But you definitely want to have more content than they do. Let's see, they have probably 500 words or so on their homepage. So you definitely want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage of your website, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. We also just went over keywords as well before, so I don't need to explain that again. But they do have some good keywords on their website. So they're doing some good things even though they don't have the recommended amount of content. I wanted to show you what they're doing that you can also do yourself. So here is a page program called Arrows that I like to use to research websites. I put them in here to compare them and evaluate how they're doing. So first I want to go over these 2 ratings here. We have a DR rating and a UR rating. The DR rating is essentially a power rating Google gives to your website, and the UR rating is a trust rating. So we have a power and a trust rating. Both of these are raised by something called a backlink. So backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others pointing to you. So it's like a popularity contest. So Flooring, Augusta, Georgia, they do a lot of the services you guys do. They're one of your competitors. They have 617 referring domains that are pointing to 23, almost 24,000 backlinks. So they have a really high amount of backlinks. However, it is worth noting that not all backlinks are created equal. So the best backlinks to have are those that are relevant to your industry and the services that you offer, and that are from local websites. Those will be the ones that work the best. I also noticed that they have really great strong ratings here for power and trust, and that they're almost the same number. You definitely want to see that as well. That's an indication of a strong website. So we went over content and backlinks. Along with the keywords again, they are ranking for 507 keywords, and because they're doing all these great things, they're able to bring in some traffic to their website, which means more leads for them and revenue for them, which you are missing out on. So you definitely want to do those things with the website to get some more traffic in the door, and which means more revenue for you. Last thing I want to go over are citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown, exactly as per your Google Business profile. So citations help you rank in the Google Map pack here that I showed you a little bit ago. And this is extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. So citations include directories like I showed you down here, A&G House, Better Business Bureau. There's hundreds of others out there, but the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you'll rank above them. So we went over a lot today. We went over how to optimize your Facebook page. You can also do a lot of these optimizations with your Google Business profile. We went over citations. We went over content on a website and backlinks. And citations will also help strengthen your website as well. So that about covers it for today. I hope this was helpful. I just wanted to give you this valuable educational content, how to strengthen your online presence to get you some more business in the door. I appreciate you and your time, and thank you for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful, and I'd appreciate any feedback that you can give me. Thank you so much, and have a good day.